Good morning, welcome to my channel. My name is Nicola Richardson, the owner of Pink Vintage Jewellery, and in this video I am going to show you how to attach a regulator to your argon gas bottle for permanent jewellery. So I buy my argon gas from the Welding Superstore here in the UK. I'll put the link in the description. I also buy my regulators from them as well. This is a regulator. Mine has got two gauges, so this one tells you how much is left in the bottle, and then this gauge here tells you how many bars and how many litres per minute. So both, this is what I buy for my argon gas. Now this is an addition that my husband put on. It's called a quick release valve, and basically, so you're not putting the tube of the welder directly on here. He's attached this for me, so I attach my welder here, so there's no fatigue point and the tube's not getting fatigued going on and off all the time. So this is a really good attachment. If you're interested, leave a comment and I'll see if my husband will do a video on how to do a quick release valve for you in the future. So when you are attaching this to your argon gas, I was really frightened the first time I did it, I must admit. I actually did it outside in the garden because I was like, oh, I'm really scared. But because it does make a bit of a hiss and a bit of a noise when you're doing it. So basically, pop the regulator on top like that. Now in clockwise, you're always going clockwise with this. So when you get to a certain point, it will start to hiss. Don't panic. Try and work really quickly. And for this, I'm actually just going to stand up. There we go. I didn't want to have that blowing in my face. But basically, that's when you know you've got, when you stop the hissing, carry on going till you've got a firm closure. Then you know that you've got your regulator attached to your argon gas. And this is a full bottle. And you can see this one here is on 100%. So you know you've got a full bottle. It's really important to give this a really good, make sure it's tight. I have accidentally not tightened it tight enough, and I've gone through the gas a little bit quicker than I would have liked. So I hope that's been helpful, and you now know how to attach a regulator to your argon gas bottle. And I'll put all the links of this regulator and the argon gas down in the description. Till next time, bye bye.